In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear brakes on this Dodge Dart. Let's get into it. I'm going to remove the wheel, use a 19mm socket, take the lug bolts out. Before you take the last one, you want to hold the wheel so it doesn't fall. And grab the wheel and slide it off. Where the bleeder screw is, just take this cap off. You might need a screwdriver, pop that off. Before we take the caliper off, we're just gonna crack this free. I'm just gonna use a 10mm socket. Just crack it free, and then we'll just snug it up. Just so it's a little loose, that's fine. Using a 14mm socket, loosen up the caliper bolts. Those bolts out. Grab the caliper, just rock it back and forth. Then you want to use a brake caliper hanger and just hang the caliper. I'm just going to go around the bracket for the brake hose. It's fine. There we go. Just make sure there's no tension on the brake hose. Take these clips off. Grab the brake pads and slide those off. Using an 8mm hex socket, I'm going to take these two bolts out. And grab the bracket, slide it off. Now we're going to take the rotor off. There's a screw right there. Use a 5mm hex socket. Take that off. The rotor should slide off. If it doesn't, you just want to hammer in these locations until it pops off. And taking a wire brush, you want to clean up the hub surface, get any corrosion off here. That's good. Now I'm just going to spray this down with some anti-seize. Just a thin coat. That's good. Take the new rotor, take some brake parts cleaner, spray it down using a rag, wipe it, and spin it around. Do the same on this side. Take the rotor, line that up. Holes are lined up. Put the screw in. And just lightly snug this down, not too tight. That's good. Now we're going to clean up the bracket. Just use a straight blade screwdriver or pocket screwdriver. Take these clips off. And with a wire brush, you want to clean up any rust and corrosion. Good. Take some silicone or some brake caliper grease. Underneath this can prevent corrosion in the future, or slow it down at least. Take Take the new pad clips, anti-rattle clips, install those. That's good. You want to pull the pins out. Take a little brake parts cleaner, wipe it down with a rag. And if it's really bad, you want to spray some brake parts cleaner in there, and then use a wire brush. Just clean that out. Take some silicone. Brake caliper grease. Slide that in. Make sure the rubber boot is sealed. We'll do the same on this side. Sealed. Now we can install it on the vehicle. Slide the bracket over the rotor, and take the bolts, get those started. And torque these bolts to 48 foot-pounds. Put the brake pads on. Now take the brake caliper hanger off. We're going to compress the piston. You need a special tool for this to be able to twist the piston in while it's pressing it. Find the right adapter. All right, now before we compress this, I'm going to open that bleeder screw. But I am going to take a bottle with a hose and a wrench, 10mm wrench. Put the hose over. Put the bottle over here. Open this up. Then as I press the piston in, brake fluid's going to go through the hose. Go. Slowly compress the piston. We're turning it clockwise. Should be all the way down. You want to make sure that the piston, where there's going to be a pin that lines up with that, so you want that piston lined up like that. You can see there's an opening at the bottom and an opening at the top. That's good. We'll just close up the bleeder. Snug that up. Take the hose off. Before we slide the caliper over the brake pads, use these spring clips. Just slide these in the pads. Then And you got to hold the pads so they don't spring out. Just like that. Take the caliper, slide it over. That's good. Put the bolts in. Torque those bolts to 32 foot-pounds. Now snug the bleeder screw up and put the cap back on. Now put the wheel up, line up the holes. Take the lug bolt, get that started. Get the other one started. Now I'm going to torque the lug bolts to 92 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.